introduce our last teampreneur, I request Coach Vikrant to do the honors.
Thank you, Nitesh. So, guys, did you know that our teampreneurs have already gone international? So, I'm really glad to introduce our next teenpreneur who had been juggling time zones to attend this program all the way from Tokyo, Japan. So, Anaya Joshi is our next teenpreneur who is an avid reader and a passionate learner. She's also an accomplished Indian classical dancer. But the quality that sets her apart is her value of giving or making a difference in somebody else's life. And no wonder, therefore, she aspires to be a doctor and saves people's lives. Unlike most teenagers, she refuses to get trapped in petty teenage issues and rather focus her energies on bigger problems and ways to contribute towards solving them. She has got big dreams and great ideas. So to explain more, I welcome Anaya Joshi. All yours, Anaya.
Thank you, Coach. So I'll directly jump into my underlying question. I want everyone to think of the word problem right now. Take 2 minutes and think of the word problem. How many of you thought about COVID? How many of you thought about your problems, like your time management, your backlog, your productivity, and everything else? And how many of you thought about real global issues? The recent floods in Afghanistan and hundreds who got injured, or malnutrition in Africa and 237 million sub-Saharan Africans who are chronically undernourished, or lack of vaccines and 2.5 million children who continue to die due to vaccine preventable diseases. As COVID has affected our lives, what is its effect on all these peoples, on people around the globe, on people in our own country, on people in our own society? Is there enough help? Is there enough money? Do they need help? So basically, I'm pretty sure that all of you are well aware of your responsibility as a part of the society. But is just knowing our responsibilities enough? I don't think so. If we want to change the situation and if we want to make a difference, it is important to get out of our seats and do something about it. As teenpreneurs, the basic value we have been taught is to solve problems. These are huge problems and they require attention. I'm completely aware that I can't do this on my own, but I'm aimed to do my share in doing so. Hello everyone, I'm Anaya Joshi. I'm from Tokyo. I'm 16, and all through these 9 weeks, through the 9-week course, we got to learn about the values that we associate with. So for the values for me were personal growth, appreciation, success, productivity, and lastly, as Coach Vikrant said, it was giving. Aligned with these values, I intend to pursue my career in the field of medicine. With an aspiring medical student, I look forward to be a medical entrepreneur. Let me tell you a story. So a while ago, I was reading this book called Half the Sky, and it had a story by Lauren Aisley in it. Okay, the story begins on a seashore. There were thousands of starfishes on the shore. A boy saw these starfishes and then he went near them. He looked at them and said that it's hot outside, it's time for low tide, and the starfishes are going to die of heat. He started picking up starfishes and throwing them into the sea. He did this once, he did this twice, he did this thrice. He kept on doing that. A passerby came and asked him what was he doing. The boy simply picked up a starfish, threw it into the sea, and said, the passerby asked him, what difference are you going to make? He said, he threw it into the sea and said, I made a difference to this one. Although helping your help or helping one person may not change the world, it is going to change that person's world. And I want your 1 rupee, your 1 yen to change that person's world. My simple outcome through this project is reaching out to people and letting them know about different issues and aligning with my career choice and my me values. I hope that those issues will be related to medical field. My tangible impact commitment through this project is going to be creating awareness among 10,000 people and raising funds that could be rupees 50,000. So what my project actually is, I have been reading some books about charity and helping people out. And most of those books describe how help is done, which is not even required. So the first step of my project is approaching an organization and asking them what help they need, what is the actual requirement. After that, I'm either going to create awareness about it or raise funds regarding that. So this is going to be a pretty huge thing. And I'm completely aware that this is something that I can't do on my own. So I am going to require your support. I'm still looking for organizations and ways to help. I'm open for suggestions, and you can help me by connecting me with different organizations. Or you can help me by actually donating money for the cause, by creating awareness about my project or the issue itself in your own circle, or by helping me connect with people who would be willing to help. You can connect with me on anayajoshi26@gmail.com or at LinkedIn at Anaya Joshi. For more information about my project and my fellow teenpreneur project, feel free to visit teenpreneurship.in. Also, I want you to know that your 1 rupee and your 1 word is going to make a difference. So together, let's make a difference. Thank you so much.
How many of you thought that you guys are watching Satyamev Jayate season 3? It was so good. Anaya,
She's like a
amazing, Anaya.
professional speaker, ekdam.
Professional.
And she was just doing what was coming to her mind. I mean, there was absolutely nothing.
Super. So Anaya, great communication, great coordination between what you were saying and how the animation was working. The intention, the purpose behind the intention is super awesome. And the best part is, instead of telling that I want to go for this cause, you are going to an organization, asking them what they want, and then creating a project around it. That's super efficient and amazing expression throughout the program, throughout the pitch. So I would invite Anaya's parents, Yatin and Nilakshi. How was the experience, guys?
Hello, we are very good. Thank you so much, Nitesh, and thank you so much, Coach Vikrant. I think this entire experience was so amazing, not just for Anaya, but even for us. We have kind of seen the change in Anaya. Like she was procrastinating kid just 9 weeks before, and now she's so focused, and she has kind of decided to effectively manage her time, and she has been doing it practically. And she knows what is the value of time. So we are really proud of her. We love her as well.
Actually, I just want to say the perseverance about the cause throughout these 9 weeks has not changed her focus. That is the strength of this program. She was saying, like, I'm being an entrepreneur, I don't want to earn money, but I want to make a difference. And you won't believe, for that she has read a lot, and then till she gets something, whatever she has presented today, she was not satisfied. So that, I think, is the success of this 9 weeks, that what I could see. The perseverance level has increased a lot. Thanks a lot, Nitesh and Coach Vikrant, for imbibing this particular value in her. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Super. Thank you, Nilakshi. Thank you, Yatin.
Nitesh, I would like to add Alfana here.
Alfana.
The best point is she is open to help even at your respective circles.
True.
You know, so she's ready to integrate in the pain points that whosoever is suffering, and that's very nice. Yeah.
Super. So Anaya, amazing presentation. So guys, yes. Who's that?
Yes, Smita here.
Hi, Smita, Dr. Smita.
Yes. So well done,
You're
Anaya.
back to home.
Yeah, yeah.
In
Today
the morning,
morning,
Dr. Smita was attending the first slot from hospital, wearing
Yeah,
the
yeah.
entire. Now she's
So I
back.
joined in the morning just to say all the best. After that, I couldn't, continue because of some of the commitments. So well done, teenpreneurs. All of were really, the energy, the power is so infectious. Hats off to them. And Anaya, the first sentence of Anaya's, how are you guys? So that the first dialogue from Anaya just connected. It was so, you know, I'm sure everybody, every one of us will agree that. The first
True.
sentence. I'm sure if you are planning to go into clinical, Anaya, just your, you know, conversation, the way you talk, पेशेंट्स को तो मेडिसिन की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ने वाली, आप इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, the way you talk.
So much.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent word. Well done. Well
Super,
done.
super. Thank you, Smita, for sharing that.
And when she said think about problems, and we all were probably only thinking about ourselves, so she went to a very bigger problem. So we are always confined to okay, मेरा क्या है, मेरा
मेरा
क्या
क्या
होगा. Yes.
Exactly. And she was so natural, very, very natural, very natural. So it came directly from the heart. ऐसा लगा. Very natural.
Super, super. So guys, it's time to vote for